Did you know that learning Vedic science can now be absolutely free? If you are curious to know the ancient Vedic science and its secrets, then you must check out the Vedic science course on the AnySkill app. Vedic astrology, palmistry, numerology and astrology, horoscope reading, chakra meditation and the complete chakra system. Imagine you have the knowledge of it all. Discover the art of Vastu Shastra, energy healing therapy and pranic healing. Learn crystal healing, face reading techniques, aromatherapy and sound healing therapy, all at your own pace. It's not just a course, it's a journey of ancient traditions and holistic health. And the best part? It's absolutely free on the AnySkill app. Change your life, grow your knowledge and harness the power of Vedic science today. Download the AnySkill app and start your free course now. Your path to knowledge and health awaits.